Nature has given us amazing natural landscapes like snowy mountains, big jungles, lush beaches, and unique islands that make Ecuador one of the most impressive countries in the world. Surely you have heard about the white sands of Salinas and Galapagos, or Yasuni in the Amazon, but this time we'll focus on the most curious wonders that we can find throughout the Andean country. So get ready to know the 7 strangest natural wonders of Ecuador. Let's go! It is a lake complex where we can find 7 pools of natural origin that are fed by the Puyango River. They originated as a result of time and erosion. The rocks were sculpted, forming a unique landscape. It is believed that this space was used to perform rituals by native cultures and also by Incas, hence its name. They are located in Manguaruco, Loja province in the south of Ecuador, and are characterized by their crystalline waters. They are also surrounded by guayacanes that every year at the end of January bloom and turn this place into a carpet that colors yellow for miles around, providing a strange and unique natural spectacle in the whole country. In the middle of the Ecuadorian Central Andes are the Palmira Dunes at approximately 3,400 meters above sea level. This complex is located in Palmira, south of Riobamba, in the province of Chimborazo. It is a desert of 100,000 square meters of unique appeal, and it resembles the Great Sahara Desert. It is fantastic for taking photos, which make you think that you have actually visited the Middle East. It has become the only place in the country to dream of this odyssey of mystery and adventure. The Wolf and Urobi Islets that emerge in the center of the Cuicocha lagoon in Cotacachi in the province of Imbabura keep their charm and uniqueness in the country. The islets are the product of volcanic eruptions and are domes of accumulation of pyroclastic waste and volcanic rocks that accumulated until reaching their current height. These domes grew inside a giant caldera that over the years filled with water and transformed the landscape, turning it into a unique volcano lagoon in the country since. Unlike Quilotoa, Cuicocha is a potentially active volcano. Volcanic emissions can be perceived in the center of the lagoon, where sulfur bubbles emerge from the bottom of the crater, staining the landscape a yellowish tone and with a particular smell. All of this make this landscape one of the strangest wonders from Ecuador. This is a rock formation or eroded cone of volcanic tuff located outside the island of San Cristobal to the west of the main island. It consists of 2 giant rocks with vertical walls that reach a surprising height of 114 meters, separated by a channel in the center that offers the experience of insignificance when passing between the giant rocks. This place is a paradise for sharks and other species of fish, as well as sea turtles, rays, and hammerhead sharks. It is also a refuge for many seabirds such as blue-footed boobies and frigates. Its waters are preferred by professionals of underwater swimming and diving, who manage to reach up to 100 meters depth in their dives and can observe marine life in its crystal clear waters. One of the striking sights on the slopes of the Imbabura volcano is the strange Heart of the Imbabura, which is a natural formation produced by a landslide on one of its flanks and which has curiously given it the shape of a heart. In its interior, microclimates have been created that have allowed the development of vegetation, typical of mountain ecosystems, in which there is a predominance of trees such as the puma maqui. In the same way, there is an interesting variety of mountain birds, small mammals, insects, and reptiles. The Heart of the Imbabura is a unique place for its shape, the legends that are told, its biodiversity, and above all, the impressive views of Lake San Pablo, whose landscape has been catalogued as the most beautiful in Ecuador. Comment on this video and subscribe to the channel if you want us to make a video relating to the ancient legends about the formation of its heart-shaped formation. A mega caldera, which because of its size it's sometimes difficult to distinguish, was discovered in 1980. Chalupas is a supervolcano located between the provinces of Cotopaxi and Napo. It is estimated that its last eruption was approximately 200,000 years ago. The eruption of the supervolcano Chalupas is a catastrophe equivalent to the fall of a meteorite, and although its chances of an eruption are only 6%, the magnitude of the disaster that it can cause not only in Ecuador but in the world is impressive. Its caldera has a diameter between 15 and 20 kilometers and is mostly flat. In the center of the caldera, there is a volcanic cone called Quilindana, with a height of 4,878 meters above sea level. In the most colossal eruptions, the column of dust and ash can reach the stratosphere, 35 kilometers above our heads, and have consequences throughout the planet, which make this point of the Ecuador an incredible place with unimaginable destructive potential. The Cueva de los Tallos is a formation located in Limón Indanza in Morona, Santiago, and dates back 200 million years. Due to its impressive shape, it has become one of the most mystical tourist attractions in the Ecuadorian Amazon. Its interior is made up of stalagmite formations, waterfalls, terraces, water filtrations, passageways, right angles, finished with perfectly polished symmetrical shapes and a number of underground chambers of various shapes and sizes. These right angles, passageways, and galleries are what give the caves a unique peculiarity, to the point that the first man to reach the moon, Neil Armstrong, became interested in them in 1976. He joined an expedition that sought to find archaeological remains and responses to the strange formations within. Conspiracy and alien theories add to the strange beauty of these caves that to this day have not been fully explored, especially due to the extreme conditions that exist as one enters the depths of the complex. New mysteries and findings are still waiting to be discovered. If you like this video and want to know all the secrets of Latin America, subscribe and activate the bell notification. We'll soon be presenting to more countries. See you next time. Ciao!